Welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today we've got a yoga class to reconnect and release to help you just let go of your day and relax. So roll out your mat and let's get started. We're going to start off with a breathing exercise. Breathing's really important. It helps to calm the mind, relax the body. If you're feeling really tired, it can also be really energizing. So I've got something that could help you with breathing. If you really enjoy this exercise, I've got something for you and you can check it out below. So let's close our eyes and take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders dropping. Breathe in again. Just allow your breath to go all the way down to your belly. And as you breathe out, just feel yourself just letting go of anything not really working for you right now. And as you breathe out, just feel yourself relaxing, mind's becoming quiet, body's feeling relaxed. One more deep breath in and breathe out. And then gently open your eyes. So we're going to do a breathing exercise now. It's called O breathing. So all you do is you bring your lips and tongue in an O and you breathe in with the O and breathe out with your nose. This is really great for when you're feeling really tired to energize, or if you're feeling really energized and you've got so much energy and you want to feel a bit calm, it's really great for that too. So breathing in with the O, breathing out with the nose. So just close your eyes and I'll guide you. So breathe in with the O, breathe out from your nose. Keep going, breathe in with the O, breathe out from your nose. Keep going. Feel yourself just making each breath deeper, because the deeper you breathe, the deeper your organs, your whole body is being nourished, and the deeper you're going to feel better. And we all love to feel better. We all love to feel good. So breathing in with the O, breathing out from your nose. Keep going. A few more deep breaths here. And then keep going. One more deep breath in with the O. And then breathing out from your nose. And then gently open your eyes. Hopefully that's making you feel really calm and relaxed. So just keeping your legs crossed. And we're just going to stretch up. When you stretch up, push your tailbone down because your spine will arch. When you push it down, it will protect your back and your core. So breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and then you're just going to come down as far as you can. You might be here and just taking a few deep breaths here. Again, I'm going to say it, breathing in deeply. Breathing out. Breathing is really important, can be relaxing and can be energizing. So just close your eyes, focus on your breath. If it feels too much, just ease off, or if you feel you want to go deeper, go a bit deeper. There's no such thing as a perfect pose, just what feels comfortable to you. Just keep focusing on your breath. Letting go of anything not serving you right now. And just for now, just allow yourself to relax on the mat. One more deep breath in and then coming up slowly. And then bringing your legs wide. Now, you might not be able to bring your legs as wide as this, but even bringing your legs out like this much is great. So just do what feels good. And so what we're going to do, again, we're going to breathe in, stretch up, push your tailbone down, and just going to come down again. They should be feeling a lovely stretch in a leg here. Again, you may be here, perfect. You might be able to come all the way down, perfect. Or you might be here. Just go at your own pace, just feeling a beautiful stretch on your legs and the back of the neck and the back here. And again, you're focusing on your breath. Just let go of anything not serving you. It's a decision. So you make the choice that is right for you. That is what yoga is. Yoga is union with self. That means you're going to do right for yourself. So whatever you learn on the mat today, you can practice that in your life. Keep breathing deeply. If it feels too much, just ease off. If you feel you want to go deeper, then go deeper. And then coming up slowly. And then we're going to come over to one side. So what you can do is just bring one leg in towards the thigh. And again, breathing in and stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and then just coming down. Now again, you may be here, you might be here, you might be able to come all the way down like this. It's not a race, and there's no such thing as a perfect pose. Just let go of your arms, let go of your head as much as you can, and feeling a lovely stretch on your neck and your back. Take some deep breaths here. Just focusing on your breath and letting go of your day. Really great to do at the end of the day because it just allows you to let go and relax. Can really help to have an amazing night's sleep as well. One more deep breath in here, and as you breathe out, coming up, let's come over on the other side. So breathing in, stretching up, breathing out and coming down. Again, just going down at your own comfortable pace. You might be here, you might be here, you might even be able to come all the way down, touch your feet, just relaxing into it. Breathing here deeply and letting go. And if your mind's becoming quiet, that's wonderful, because when the mind becomes quiet, it is really nice because you can relax, you can let go, and sometimes in quiet you can have solutions to problems. You can help the body to relax, and when you finish, you're feeling even more energized. So it really is wonderful here. One more deep breath in here, and then coming up slowly. And then coming to the mat. Slowly bringing your arms out, taking knees in one direction and head in the other. Just breathing deeply here. You might want to do some rotations with the hip. Just going one way, do a couple of times, rotating, taking your time, slowing down, breathing deeply, and then going the other direction, taking your time, really feeling relaxed, letting go. And then bringing the head and neck to the center. Let's go over to the other side. Again, doing some rotations with the hip, breathing in, coming one way, And as you come out, breathing out. So breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Taking your time, no rush here. Really does help to loosen up the hips. And let's change direction. Really focusing on your breath. Just releasing and just reconnecting with your mind and your body. One more hip circle. And then bringing your head and knees to the center. Bringing both knees in, giving yourself a hug. And then just bringing your feet down on the mat. Taking one leg forward, the other leg forward. Arms out by your side. Just allowing yourself to let go and relax. I'm going to leave you here so you can have a nice rest. If you enjoy the practice, do share it with somebody who could really do with relaxing and releasing. And remember, I talked about the breathing. I've got something for you. It's down below. So I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.